Hi Matt, this is Mike from Stagecoach Road Vintage Sewing Machine, and this is your Pfaff 130. And this is the final test before we pack her up to ship her out to you. And in this test, we're going to go over the basic operation of the machine. You may already know how to work this machine, but think of it as a refresher in that case. This is your accessory kit. Got some spare needles and a number of different sewing feet, a dust brush to brush the dust out of the, when you oil it, you should take this plate off here with these two screws and brush out the lint around the feed dogs. And this is your horizontal spool pin. It's missing the piece, or I'm missing the piece that could go on here and hold this horizontal spool holder. You could probably pick one up on eBay. So, without further ado, let's see, we're plugged in? Yes, we are. Where are we? Okay. The switch is a little bit funny here. You want to turn it counterclockwise until it stays on. But I'm going to turn it off with this video because it kind of puts a glare on the machine. So we'll start by winding a bobbin, and your bobbin of course is below the machine in this bobbin case here. If you pull out the little lever, you can pull out the bobbin case, which has your bobbin in it. Oh, and this bobbin is nearly full. You know, I don't know if I have a spare bobbin for this machine. Let me go check.